Mika, what are you up to now?
Oh, just adding a little excitement to the plaza.
Tara, watch out! That cart's headed for the... I see it. Let's stop this mess before it gets worse.
Careful, Tara. The floor's a bit slippery.
You're not getting away with this, Mika. I've got an idea, Tara. Use this. Nice one, Vela. Let's corner him. Think you can catch me up here?
I don't need to catch you. Just beat you to the switch. You did it, Tara. The plaza's back to normal.
Couldn't have done it without you, Vela.
Not bad, Tara. Until next time.
Next time, Mika, you are buying the floaties.